This is Little J with Nightmare. Here we go. Nightmare is here, so don't cry. You fuck with me and I'ma poke you in your eye. You come and talk shit, you better know how to do something. Mess with me, I'ma brew something. If you talk shit about me in every way, you better come prepared for an AK to stop this monster down on his tracks. I'm a motherfucker, you better get back. Don't come at me thinking you all shit. Fuck with me and I'ma make you my little bitch. Don't know what you're talking about? Nightmare here to knock you out. Alright, here comes verse 2, everybody. Fuck with me, I'ma kill your ass. Mo, don't talk shit, better bring your ass. You better come prepared, you better say what's up. You better not mess with me, cause I'll fuck you up. Players think that shit cause they don't know what they're talking about. If you come at me, I'm gonna knock you straight to your house. Don't mess with me cause you know why. Fuck your ass up, make you poke you in your eye. Come clean, you know I will. Smack you up and take your grills. Don't fuck with, don't know how. You come at me and I'ma knock your straight ass out. Motherfucker, don't talk shit like this. You come at me, I'ma fuck your ass in the bitch. Don't tell me why or how. Come at me, I'ma stab your ass in the crowd. Cause this is Nightmare. Don't talk shit, I'ma fuck you up and then take your bitch.